everyone, so today's video is going to be on gardening basics, and these are just things which are really easy tips that you can do just to make gardening a lot easier, and they're very basic things that maybe if you don't really know much about gardening, hopefully these will help you. So I hope you enjoy it and let's get into it. The first tip is to choose the right plants for your soil. So if you're planting directly into the ground or in a flower bed, check the soil type and then choose plants that suit that type. They'll usually say on the label that comes with the plant, or just Google it if you're not sure. You might have heavy clay soil or more of a sandy soil, so it's always good to check. The next tip is to soak the roots of your new plant well before putting it into the soil. Usually when you buy your plants from the garden centre, they're quite dry, so the extra water really helps to encourage them to grow. When you're taking your plant out of its container, try not to pull the stems of the plant because this can damage them. Instead, squeeze the sides of the pot gently and tip it upside down, and then catch the plant carefully in your hand. You can also pull very gently at some of the roots just to help them spread out more when you plant them. So when you're digging a hole for your plant, make sure it's bigger than the root ball of your plant. This makes sure it has enough room to grow in the soil easily. When you're planting, try not to plant things too close together. It's a good idea to space them out so they have plenty of room to grow. Make sure you water your plants well. It's better to water the soil instead of just the leaves of the plant, as it makes sure the plant has enough water to grow. You can check if you've watered enough by digging slightly next to your plant, and if the soil still looks dry, you need to water a little bit more. When you are deadheading a flower, make sure to cut a little lower down instead of just directly underneath the flower head, as this helps it blend in better and you're not left with a load of spikes or stems sticking out. And finally, the last tip is just to experiment with colours and flower types. There's so many different ones out there, and you can really be as creative as you like with your garden designs. So that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video and that it helped you. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you did like it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all in my next video. Bye guys.